Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching previously, we've been working on this little Suzuki Alto, which we thought had a blown head gasket, but then found out the head was cracked, which is a pain in the backside, but it is what it is. So we've had a parcel so let's crack that open. It must be the head, it's the only thing I've ordered. See what sort of condition it is in, and make sure it's okay to use. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. Please give us a thumbs up, it helps the channel immensely. And well, let's crack on, see what it's like, shall we? Well, here's the old head and the gasket. Let's move that out of the way. Let's crack into this. Take that out. Some bony stuff. Right, well, it's a head. Looks the same. The rig's loose. Well, it's not cracked in the same place as the other one, so we need to give this a clean up and see what it's like. I've just started cleaning up the face of the new head, and I just thought I'd quickly show you, well, the procedure for checking it's flat. Got a nice straight edge here. If you've got a really good steel rule, it'll do the same job. So got our feeler gauges. I think the maximum on this one's 2 thou, but we're putting a 1.5 thou in. Basically, just looking for a gap. So if that slid in, we knew that there was some distortion to it, and then we do it at an angle. Make sure it's nice and flat down. So it's not going in anywhere. That's 2 thou there, that's okay. And then basically do the same for there. I've done the middle, and I tend to do it in a few places, you know, and across the in between the cylinders, and just do that. And basically, at this moment in time, this looks like a good head. I haven't checked for cracks. I haven't properly cleaned it yet, which I will. So I'm going to good clean, check for any other cracks and things, and then hopefully we'll be there. Well, that took longer than I thought. It was pretty mucky. So we're all cleaned up. I know there's some marks here, but that's outside of where the gasket goes, so that's okay. But yeah, face came up good. It's all good and flat. The rest of it came up okay. It's got a bit of burnt oil in there, but I don't want to be scraping stuff around. So we'll give it a good wash anyway. We did. Most of it was done in this little beastie. Just a little tabletop one. It doesn't actually fit in one. I had it slanted up there and then slanted up there and made a right mess of the floor and everything. But there we go. I need to get a bigger one of them. Unfortunately, I got a bit more to go through cleaning. But we'll get there. It's nice to have clean bits to put on. Here's the fruits of a day's cleaning. We're all pretty good now. What I've got to do now is wait for the gasket kit. My little pots of bolts and stuff just kept separate, so yeah, we're getting there. So it's all nice and clean, ready to go on. I think instead, as well as a gasket set, I think I'm going to order a new thermostat. I tried the thermostat, that one, and it opened, but it didn't seem to open very far, so I think I'll get a new one of them. Also, that looks a bit dodge. We'll see if I can get one of those. And yeah, I'm going to get a new water pump as well. On the actual car, you're not going to be able to see it, but basically the block is pretty mucky. There's been an oil leak down the front, which is behind the exhaust manifold, so I'll give that a good clean up as well. But that is not today because I've had enough. Right guys, we've actually got some parts for the Suzuki. Let's have a look. Right, we'll start off with this one. This is Euro car parts. That's the little thermostat. Oh, it's sealed up. So look, make sure it's in there. That's where I cut my finger off and then it goes viral. And the channel's actually a success. There we go. Tiny weeny little thermostat there. This is well packaged. What we got here? That's the front O2 sensor. Those are actually the old one there. This looks slightly different. Thread's the same, hopefully. Yeah, plug's the same, so that's good. Another bit. What's next? This bit next. I know what this is because I had to go and get this. This is actually the replacement thermostat housing. This directly from Suzuki. Right. Now what amazed me is you can see that the ends are a bit rough on there. So I thought I'll have a look for a second-hand one. Found a second-hand one, £15. Went to Suzuki. Brand new, £17. How'd you work that out? So that's that instead of that, and I've just got to tighten that, unscrew that, whack it in there. Job done. That's just the temperature gauge. And also a couple of gaskets for the thermostat housing. So there's a few bits. What else we got? Right. Big box. Okay, well, big box with a little box in it, which is my water pump. Ah, and good. Water pump and joint, and well, it comes with new studs. That's good. We haven't taken the other one off, but I thought, seeing as we're doing the head gasket and so much other stuff, new water pump, lovely. And then, last but not least, I'm hoping this is the head gasket kit. Don't want to damage it getting it out. Right, I'm rubbish at wrapping presents as well as unwrapping them. Right, here we go. Paperwork. Oh, that looks pretty comprehensive. Yeah, that's good. Got lots of little gaskets in there. Got the rocker cover. Even got some valve seal stem seals. There's the main head gasket underneath. There's some other gaskets underneath that one. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. I'm sure bits are going to fly everywhere now. Yeah, there's quite a few loose bits. I think we need to spread that one out. It's been flattened good and proper. Some seals and O-rings and stuff. Gaskets, that looks like inlet manifold things. Cam lip seal. There's our head gasket. Oh, that's good. We've got exhaust and inlet manifold gasket as well. Good-o. Well, I've got no excuse not to get on with it now, have I? Well, then let's crack on.